Good morning, all of you. Welcome to you all in St. Xavier online class. We were reading about atoms and molecules. I told you about atoms and atomic theories. Today we'll take our new topic is atomic mass. Okay, in that I will tell you about a formula for finding the atomic mass in simpler way. And second, I want to tell you about the complete language of them according to your book. So first we will talk about atomic mass. Atomic mass is the sum of sum of proton and neutron of any element atom, you can say like this way. You know very well, this is nucleus. In nucleus, you know very well, neutron and proton are found. This is nucleus. Okay, and outside of it, electron moves in the circular orbit. These orbits are known as orbit or shell, you can say. So we have neutron and proton inside any atom. Okay, proton and neutron, the sum of these is form atomic mass. Okay, so it's mean we should know about the proton and neutron. These are subatomic part. According to the Dalton, he said to you that atom is the smallest part, but these are also divided in the smallest parts, you can say, in subatomic part, by which atom is constructed or it is made up. These are known as electron, proton and neutron. Okay, so this is measured, this atomic mass is measured in AMU. This is the unit for measuring atomic mass. AMU, like as we measure the solid as kg, liquid as liter, kiloliter. So like this way we measure this as AMU, atomic mass unit is the full form of this atomic mass unit. So 1 AMU is always equal to 1 by 12 part of mass of C12, carbon 12. This is equal to that. Means if we have a carbon atom and we are dividing it in 12 part like this way, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and more part you can divide like this way, equal part to 10 and 12. So if you are taking any one part of this, like as a watermelon, this one part is equal to 1 AMU. Okay, so for this I want to tell you how to find out their masses. Okay, we have a simpler trick for them, so see that. As we have chlorine, okay, so downside we will write atomic number of that, and here atomic mass. This side also you can write, or this side, no problem. This is atomic number and this is atomic mass. So like you know very well, 17 is the atomic number of this and atomic mass is 35.5, near about this. Okay, so how it come, we'll read. by the formula in easy way. So if atomic number is even or second is odd. So if atomic number is odd, then we will use formula 2n plus 1, and for even we will use 2n. What we have to do, at the place of this n we will keep the value of atomic number. How? See this side. These are some exceptional cases which we have to learn. Okay, these formula will not work for these. Rest of we can find out like this. It is 2. Atomic number of this is 2, and 2 is even number. So formula for that is 2n. So it's mean 2 multiplied 2, it is equal to 4. So its mass is 4. For this you can see it is 3. So it's mean this is odd number, and for odd 2n plus 1 we will use formula. So 2 multiply 3. At the place of n we will keep the atomic number, plus 1 is equal to 7. So it will be equal to 7. Okay. Same as in this. This is also odd. So 5 to the 10 and 1, 11. For this 6. This is even 12. For this 16, because it is even. In this it is odd. So 9 to the 18 and 1, 19. For this is even, again odd. So 11 to the 22 and 1, 23, 24, 13 to the 26 and 1, 27, 28, and for this 30 plus 1, 31, 32. For this is, these are exceptional cases, 19, 38 and 39, 1, and this is 40. Okay, so these are the atomic masses of these elements or atom, you can say 1 to 20. So these you have to learn. Rest of the thing we will read on tomorrow. Thank you very much for attending the class.